Hi again, everybody. It's Jason from Rangeland RV, and I'm here in Elkhart, Indiana at the 11th annual Forest River Open House. I'm standing in the Rpod display and really excited to show you the 10th anniversary Rpods. If you can believe, Rpod have been around for 10 years. And so what they've done is they've done a lot of significant changes. Really excited about this 10th anniversary. Right away you see the decal package, which harkens back to their first years with their circle decals. Done the gray exterior, which is what we call Lamelux gel coat. And then they've added this really neat outside kitchen option. So 2-burner stove, sink basin, and spray port. But it'll also remove, so if you need to have the extra storage, you can take it right out and then put it in when you get to your destination. Great feature. Rpod have also done some quality changes, and what they've done is they've replaced and substituted their Luan wall backing on their laminated fiberglass with a product called Asdel. So the Asdel is a composite wall board, which is lighter, stronger, better insulated.
It's a little bit cheap.
And it's better with water too. It also bonds very well, so we don't have to worry about any issues of delamination potentially on the product. Your Lamelux fiberglass exterior is now a stronger product as well. Let's walk in and show you this really cool new floor plan. This is the 2019 10th anniversary Rpod 191. Beautiful trailer, really modern decors, great quality countertops, undermounted stainless steel sink, 2-burner stove. And in this coach, what we have is we have 2 single beds in the back. This is also going to allow sleeping for much taller people. Nice big beds, some additional wardrobe storage here. King U-shaped dinette in the front of the coach. And then your classic Rpod 3-piece wet bath. Takes up a very small footprint on this trailer and allows you lots of space in this 6.5 foot wide trailer. Really excited to show you all the new Rpod product. I'm going to be doing lots of videos, so if you like this video, please do subscribe to the channel, and we'll make sure that we send you lots of videos in the future. Thanks for watching, and happy camping.